How to email attendees on Eventbrite. To email attendees through Eventbrite, follow these steps. Go to Eventbrite and log in with your credentials. Click on Manage My Events or find the event you want to manage on your dashboard. Select the event for which you want to email attendees. In the Event Management dashboard, look for Manage Attendees in the menu on the left. From there, click Emails to Attendees. Then click the Create New Email button. Add a subject line and body text. Customize your email to include relevant details like reminders, updates, or thank you messages. Review the email details and choose whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Click Send Now to send the email immediately. Thanks for watching.